Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2013 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo. Under the hood we have a 3.6 liter V6 engine and a 5-speed automatic transmission. This guy is in the winter chill pearl coat, and it is a very nice light blue color. It looks awesome. Up front here you do have halogen headlamps. They are very bright, and you got the chrome accenting up here with the Jeep logo there. You got your fog lights just down there as well. Coming around the side here, we do have 17-inch rims with Goodyear brand tires, and still a lot of tread left on them as well, and those rims are looking very nice. You got the Grand Cherokee logo down here, and you do have heated exterior mirrors in the same color as the rest of the vehicle. Now, coming around the back here, we do have the Jeep logo and the 4x4 logo, as well as the Laredo logo. Sorry. And open this up. Here we go. Tons of room. Lots and lots. It is very soft as well, so nothing will be getting scratched up. You can fold the seats forward if you did want, and it gives you even more room. Pull this up, and your spare tire is just right underneath there if you do ever need it. Plus, you do got like a plug-in here, and some storage on the sides, and an emergency light just over there. Okay, we got our keys here. We got 2 presses to unlock all the doors, 1 press to lock, and you do have your panic button there. It does also have proximity keyless entry, so if you have your key on you, and you put your hand in there when it's locked, it will unlock for you. Plus, you do have the lock button there if you did want to do it that way. Now, on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all hanging out right here, as well as a bit of that chrome accenting handle here, some storage down here. And then over here, we do have the controls of our lights. So we have our off, we have our on, we have our daytime running lights and our auto, as well as our low beam, and you can push in for your fog lights. You got the guy to open up your gas right there, and then you have your in-cabin light control right over there. As well, it is very nice in here, very soft. The fabric is very nice. You do have electric seats down here, so you got your lumbar support here and back and forward, as well as leaning it back and forward. And then you do have the controls over your lights, your high beams here, as well as your turning signal and your your window wipers. Okay, let's start her up. So I have the key in my pocket. Just press the button with your foot on the brake, and you are good to go. Now in the center here, we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as we have our fuel gauge and our oil temperature. And it does say that we need to fill up one of our tires, so we will do that, of course. Now, in the center there, we do have what way we're facing, our temperature outside, if it's on or off, how many kilometers it has, only 53,000, that's not very many, as well as what gear we're in. Then you can change that from your vehicle info, your vehicle speed to your fuel economy, your trip info, vehicle info. You got your messages, you got your units, your system set up, and you can turn the menu off if it is distracting for you or you just don't want it on. That is all controlled from your steering wheel right here, as well as you have your horn in the middle, and you do have your cruise control options on the other side. Around the back of the steering wheel here, you do have a volume up and down button, and on the other side there is one that changes the channel. Now in the center here, for your radio, you do have a bunch of different options. So you have your seek options up here, you have your scan, you have your info, your rewind, and your fast forward, as well as you do have a CD player right here with your eject and your time. This one does push on and off, as well as the volume. Then you have your AM and your FM, as well as your Sirius XM and your disc or your aux cord. And then you do have all down here your presets. And then over here you have your list, your music type, your setup, and then your audio. You can change that through there. Down here in our climate control, we have where it's going to blow out of. We have our heat plus our AC. Then we also have how powerful it's going to be, our circulation. And then we also have, we have our front and rear defrost, plus another place where it's going to blow out of. A little bit of storage right here, press that button. Get some storage in there, plus you do have a plug-in back there as well. It's a little bit hard because it's dark. You do also have your gear shift here, and your cup holders here, and a little bit of storage here. Plus you do have your armrest here, which doubles as a storage container. You got some room in there as well. Looks good, you got a plug-in in there. And then you can also do the top layer, which is just this little guy. It'd be good for some change or something. Then you do have a locking glove box over here. You can put something in there, lock it up, and no one will get to it. Got lots of room in the glove box there. Up top here, you do have your lights right there, as well as you have a sunglass holder to hold your sunglasses. Okay, let's jump in the back here and take a look around. So on the door here, we do have the controls over the windows. You have that little bit of chrome accenting there, this kind of swirly look here, same as in the front. Handle here, and a little bit more storage down here for like a water bottle. And the same material is used back here. It's very soft and very comfortable. It looks awesome. You can fold this guy down here, and you do have some cup holders and an armrest. And then they do have their own vents hanging out there that will blow air on them. There's a trigger right here. You just pull that and it folds down like I said earlier. You can do that with the other side as well, and then you got even more room. And there's our 3.6 liter V6 engine, and it does also come with an engine block heater. Well, that does it for my walk-around video of the 2013 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.